Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix stuck on zoom mode on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, as you can see, we have successfully disabled zoom mode on our iPhone. Now, there is also another option to disable zoom mode on your iPhone. You can disable zoom mode by double tapping the screen with 3 fingers. Just like that. Now, if you want to disable the zoom mode feature on your iPhone, just open Settings, then go to Accessibility. From here, you will find the option of Zoom. Just tap on it and disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, you will disable zoom mode on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix stuck on zoom mode on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.